Right, so this is how to make a stats collector game, and or a game which like takes a name basically or a thing and assigns different random statistics to it and then writes it into a file. It also gives the user to either write into a file or read from the file. So like say if you had something that you wanted, you could just read it from the file. So this is a very basic version of that for complete beginners. So package Java application 17, import java.util that imports everything. Although you don't need that everything, it's, well, you do need that everything, but you don't. It's good practice to just like use every import you will use instead of just using this, but this is just as the cover safe. So now what I did in this was I made sure to ask for a new character or to see your other characters. So basically either asking for a new variable to be created or a new person to be created, or to be able to get the outputs. And 1, 0 was just easier to use. Integers are easier to work with in if statements. So that is obviously the scanner function. And int done equals sc.next. That is integer. The integer is done. Another variable names aren't great, but that was my phone. It's fine, I guess, as long as I explain it. So if done equals 0, so that is basically if the input was 0, then this would happen. So this is all from a file. So this is the reading part of the file. So there's obviously a reading and a writing. If you check on the left hand side, where I have my code saved, that's where I have my text file saved, and that's where we'll run everything from. So in this case, this is where the previous imports come in use. Obviously we do need the try and the catch to be able to make this work. So try that file reader fw because new file reader done.txt. That is obviously the file name. Then buffered reader bi because new buffered reader fr is obviously this part. And then string, okay, you don't need to call it okay, you can call it strip, you can call it str, you can call it bottle, you can call it whatever you want. And then while the bottle equals br.readline not equal to null. So that basically means while there are still lines inside the file, it will keep repeating that. So the second there are no more lines, it would stop. So it's very smart. And then this just outputs it. Now obviously the catch is if it's not there, if there's no file, then it just says file not found. Now this is the else part. So obviously I did write 1 as the thing, but I took a kind of shortcut. If you're not saying 0, then you're just going for it. So here's the second scanner, which has a different scanner variable name, and that asks for the name of the character. And now these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are different statistics. So double strength equals math.random times 100 minus 0 plus 1 and then plus 0. So what this basically is this is a basic formula, which is the maximum minus the minimum, and then plus 1 plus minimum. So you could obviously change these to be 10,000. You can make the minimum like 700 or something. You can play around with your statistics. You obviously make these integers as well. I feel like it's funner to use doubles. So now what happens is it prints out your new character with all its statistics. Now here's the part where the magic happens. So basically after it's printed out, it just writes it into a text file. So it does a try and catch thing again. So try, and then it opens a text file. It writes everything into the text file. Writing everything in the text file is the pw.println, and that's printing in a new line. And obviously you have to close the file or else it just stays open and it just doesn't save. And then catch, obviously, if the file is not a thing, then it won't do it. So say if you were to run this, Takes a long time to run, to be honest. Like, I don't know if it's. I think it's either internet or it's something like. Obviously, Java util asterisk does take a long time to be able to like do everything. I think theoretically, I think it does use a long time to be able to do everything. So that would also be a contributing factor. So I'll say my channel, and then for God's sake, the input just didn't show up. There was that. That was a bit uncalled for. Okay then, what would you like to do? New character, and now AYN, and then there we go. And then that is now saved into my done.txt. So now if I were to be a type 0 lad, there we go, your character AYN, and then it outputs everything. That is beautiful. Peace.